6-second heat up means your tip is ready for solder almost immediately, no waiting. 3 built-in LEDs provide a spotlight on your project and help eliminate tip shadow. The 2 trigger positions control power at high to medium head up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The co-molded perfect fit pistol grip features a soft, non-slip grip and great ergonomic feel. Weller 7-year warranty, another reason to trust a great legacy brand. Heavy duty. Weller's 9400PKS soldering gun comes packaged in a portable storage case and with an assortment of high-quality, genuine Weller tips that are optimally used for heavy-duty soldering, cutting, and smoothing applications including those involving heat sinks, ground plans, metal art, and plumbing. Top reviews from the United States. Good little soldering iron. This iron heats up very quickly and does a good job for the money.